my loves. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, sweethearts, if you love crochets, loves the way it make you look and feel, but you can't braid, stay tuned for this braidless crochet. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, sweethearts, my hair has been washed and conditioned, and then I have this leave-in conditioner. I'm going to leave all my products at the bottom in the description box below. Sweethearts, I don't know. I guess the reason why I wanted to do this style with my hair being conditioned right now is because it'll stay moisturized as we're going, so I won't have to struggle to put my hair into these twists that I'm about to put them in right now. Adding these products to my hair and then sitting and letting them dry is the best method for this hairstyle. And sweetheart, since we can't braid, I got you. Let's just go ahead and grab a nice little grip and then twist it. We're going to do this around the whole head, just the first part on the right and then on the left. And then as you can see, the back is already twisted. And then we're just going to mend those together. But go ahead and make sure your hair is nice and laid flat and down, because we're going to put a scarf on just to make sure it lays flat as well. Sweethearts, don't be shy when putting these products in your hair as well. Just because my hair is natural. There's no perms or anything like that in my hair, so it's harder for my hair to lay. So when it does dry, it's going to lay nice and smooth. All right, all we're going to do is put our hair in this semi-tight ponytail. When I say semi, I mean semi. Do not make it too tight. And then we're just going to let it dry. Okay, you guys, having this hair net is a plus. The reason why I'm saying it's a plus is because when you're crocheting, you're giving the needle and your hair, the crochet hair, a place to sit. It's not just going to sit in your hair that doesn't have braids in it or twist in it, you know, if you know what I'm saying. So this hair net is perfect for a braidless crochet. Sweetheart, I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. Water Bomb 1B, 10 inches. This one pack is definitely all you need, and I had hair left over. Okay, sweethearts, when you're crocheting, crochet from inside the cap, and you're gonna go right under that, under the cap lining, and then you're going to go under your hair and then crochet that hair into there. That's going to lock it. That's going to seal it in. So having this hair net is a plus, again, because it's going to grip all of your hair. This is going to grip the crochet hair to keep it from slipping out. The net is. So this is a plus. You guys, it stays. It's one thing I like about this is it's not a lot of tension on your hair. It's light. Again, I love putting hair in my hair that's light, to where I know I can't feel it, and it's fluffy. So you guys, this is perfect for you non-braiders. Let's go. You guys, you know how I'm always trying to save your sides, trying to make sure your hair is not too tight. This is perfect. There's no tension on my hair at all. I can barely even notice that it's even in here. When you do braid your hair under it, you can actually feel a lot more tightness, a lot more tension. But doing this braidless crochet, you can't feel any of that. So I highly recommend this hairstyle for my non-braiders if you love crochet. Okay, it's time to cut the hairnet. We're going to just cut that little piece off, being though we do not need to show the hairnet. We want this to be as natural as possible. So we're going to go ahead and just clip it and then blend it in. Add more hair around it. Make sure, sweethearts, when you're cutting, just cut it around your face. Make it into the shape of your face is what I recommend. Don't cut too much, and remember to cut under your fingers when you cut. You guys, I ain't gonna lie, again, this black control edge control, man, this is the bomb, and it's gonna stay the bomb. I recommend you get it. It's linked down below. You guys, it does my edges wonders. It will do yours wonders as well. Don't forget to check it out. And this is the last step of this hairstyle. Just go ahead and wrap it up in a hair scarf, and then when you're done wrapping it in a hair scarf, you can put it in a bonnet, and guess what? You're done. And these are the finished results, my loves. It is simple. It took under an hour and a half. It's light. You can't even tell that it's there. Thank you so much for tuning in, my loves. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you next time.